Hello and welcome to CKE 10,000 Wins Gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Arifureta Weiss Schwarz trial deck. Here is the front of the box, the side, back of the box, top, and now we'll open it up to see the inside. So we'll just cut off the tape on the two ends here. We'll do the left side first and the right side next. And we'll open up the box to see the cards themselves. Just put that to the back. Put it down. We have the plastic here to remove. So we have the rule sheet, version 2.0, with the Arifureta characters, the playmat, and the cards themselves. So we have the first card, which is foiled, Strongest Duo, Yu and Hajime. Try to center that. Fresh out of the bath, Kaori, 3 copies. Special Lover Yu, 1, 2, 3. Compassionate Girl Kaori, Strongest Duo, non-foiled versions. Suggestion Half and Jest, Kaori, Bad with Heat, Yu, The Last Vampire Yu, At the Bottom of the Abyss, Choice Climax, Conveying Sentiments, Merfolk Girl, Mew, Bad with Heat, Hajime, Important Friend Shia, Honorable Dragonborn Tio, Important Friend Tio, Wanting That Pleasure Once More Tio, Showing Off Her Strength Shia, Brave Rabbit Man Shia, Gold Bar Climax, A New Journey, 2 Soul Climax, then Fresh Out of the Bath Kaori again, Compassionate, Strongest Duo, the backup, Bad with Heat, The Last Vampire, At the Bottom of the Abyss, Choice, Merfolk, Bad with Heat, and we got the triple R. Alright, that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.